Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve a simultaneous equation word problem. Well, the steps are as follows. We try to define the variable x and y if they have not already done so. Then using the information, form the simultaneous equation. Solve it and answer the word problem. So currently now this is the example here. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle where they give us the three sides. Find the values of x and y. Well, usually it's good to kind of like sketch this triangle out. And what is an equilateral triangle? It means all the sides are the same. Yes. So knowing that, I will then be able to form two equations now. This and this, these two sides can be the same. 3x plus 1 is equals to 2x plus 3y plus 5. And from here, I could do some simplification. Going to minus 2x on both sides and minus 3y on both sides. Going to minus 1 on both sides. So this will eventually lead to x minus 3y equals to 4. I got my first equation. I could also do the same for the other two sides. So I'm going to have 3x plus 1 and x plus 9y plus 6. And they are the same. Yes, the length is equal. And again, I'm going to simplify this. Minus x on both sides, minus 9y on both sides. I'm going to minus 1 on both sides. And this will lead me to 2x minus 9y equals 5. Well, for this particular question, when I solve these two equations, I'm going to use substitution method. So from equation 1, here, so I'm going to just write it here so that it's easier for us to see. So right, from 1, you can see that x will be equals to 4 minus 4 plus 3y. And this will be my equation 3. So x and 4 plus 3y, they are the same. And now comes the next part. We are going to substitute this equation 3 into 2. And what do I mean by that? So equation 2 currently is 2x minus 9y equals to 5, right? But I now know my x is equals to 4 plus 3y. This means that my x here, I can rewrite it as, and substitute it as 4 plus 3y. Okay, and once I do that, I can proceed to solve this, to continue and solve this. 8 plus 6y minus my 9y equals to 5. So continue. I will have a negative 3y here. And I'm going to minus 8 on both sides. This will give me negative 3, and therefore my y will be equals to negative 3 divided by negative 3. Y equals to positive 1. Now that I know y is equals to 1, I just need to substitute back here. Okay? And that's what we are going to do. So I'm going to take out a ruler. And at this point, just indicate that we are going to substitute y equals to 1 back into 3. And 3 states that x is equals to 4 plus 3y. And what is my y? My y is 1. So now instead of writing y, I just need to rewrite it as 3 times 1. So x equals to 7. And let's do a quick check. Okay, we just need to substitute this either into equation 1 or equation 2. I'm going to substitute into equation 2, where I have 2x. X is 2x minus 9y equal, in this case here, I'm going to just do a quick check. X is 7. Y is 1. And what does this give me? This gives me 5. That means my answer is correct. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.